Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix variants not showing on Shopify store. So, if your Shopify store isn't displaying product variants, don't worry. In this guide I will show you step-by-step solutions to fix it quickly. So, why are variants not showing? The issue can be caused by variants not properly added in the product settings, theme compatibility issues hiding the variant selector, incorrect inventory settings, making variants unavailable, or custom code or third-party apps interfering with display. Solution 1 is check if variants are added correctly. Go to your Shopify admin page, then click on products and select your affected product from the collections. So click on the product page, then scroll down to variant section. Now, ensure that at least one variant is listed. For example, different size or color is listed. And if it's missing, click the Add Variant button available just right here and enter the details and click Save. Now, solution 2 will be enabling the variant selector in theme settings. Simply navigate to your Shopify admin, navigate to online store, navigate to themes and click on Customize button available just right here. Now navigate to product pages and look for variant selector settings. So we'll click on this variant picker option and here we can see that the variant picker is available just right here. Now, ensure that the show variant picker option is enabled. So make sure it is not turned to hide. If you turn this to hide, it will not show up that. Just make sure this is turned on. Now, solution 3 is checking the inventory settings. Go to products, select the product, scroll to variant section and check the inventory status here. If any variants will be marked as out of stock, it may not appear. Set the inventory tracking to continue selling when out of stock if needed. You can do it just right here. Now, solution 4 is disabling conflicting apps or custom code. Some third-party apps or custom code may interfere with variants. Simply navigate to settings, go to apps and sales channels and disable any recently installed apps to see if it resolves the issue. If you have customized the product page code, revert to default theme and test again. Solution 5 will be switching to a default theme. In order to do that, simply navigate to online store and scroll down on this page, click on three-dotted icon. Here, just scroll down and choose a default theme like Dawn, Spotlight or Sense and that could fix the problem. Now, another way is clearing cache and testing in incognito mode. Click on the three-dotted icon at the top right, click on settings. Here, click on privacy search and services, scroll down, click on choose what to clear, then choose clear now under cookies. Make sure you choose all time here. After that, you'll choose clear now and that could instantly solve your problem after clearing the cache. So that's how you can fix the missing variant issue on Shopify. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more Shopify solutions. See you in the next video.